Vue.js. It's a JavaScript framework for building front-end UIs. In Vue, you can start simple and then progressively add in the tools and features that you need to build a complex web application. At its core, it provides a way to build components that encapsulate data or state in your JavaScript and then connect that state reactively to a template in HTML. We call these components declarative views because the same data inputs will always produce the same output in the visual UI. When we declare data on this data object, it links or binds it to the HTML on the template above. When the value of the data changes, the component will automatically re-render, or in other words, it's reactive. And the framework does a ton of work under the hood to make sure that this process is performant across a huge component tree. We can work with this data in the template thanks to Vue's HTML-based template syntax. We can interpolate a value or expression using double braces. And we also have a variety of directives to control the behavior of the HTML based on the data. We can use VIF to only render an element when the value on the right side is truthy. And then we might have a fallback element after that that's only rendered when the value is falsy with VElse. We can make the app interactive by listening to events. Using the VON directive, we can listen to an event on an element, then run some code to handle that event on the right side. We can do that directly in the template or define a custom method in the component's methods object. The method has access to our reactive data, and that means all we have to do is change the value of the data and the component will automatically re-render. And that's all it takes to build an interactive reactive declarative UI component with Vue. The framework is loved by developers for this simplicity, but also its ability to scale up in complexity incrementally. Its plugin system allows you to easily drop in things like a router, state management, Firebase support, and more. And perhaps best of all, it's not sponsored by some mega corporation. It's not pressured to push out new releases all the time and does a great job listening to its community. This has been Vue.js in 100 seconds. Stay tuned for a full-length tutorial here on YouTube in the near future, and check out my Vue Firebase course on Fireship if you're ready to start building a full-stack app. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.